One of the landmark judgments related to the Aadhaar, Targeted Delivery of Financial and Other Subsidies, Benefits, and Services, Act, 2016, was delivered by the Supreme Court of India on September 26, 2018. The Supreme Court's verdict in this case had significant implications for the use of Aadhaar and its linkage to various services and benefits. In this judgment, the Supreme Court upheld the constitutional validity of the Aadhaar Act but also imposed certain limitations on its usage. Here are some key points from the judgment. Constitutional validity. The court upheld the validity of the Aadhaar Act, stating that it serves a legitimate purpose by providing a means to effectively target government subsidies and services to those who need them. Voluntary nature. The court ruled that Aadhaar cannot be made mandatory for various services, including mobile phone connections and bank accounts. It emphasized that Aadhaar can only be used on a voluntary basis for availing government subsidies and services. Private companies. The court held that private companies cannot demand Aadhaar information for their services, as it was originally intended for government welfare programs. Right to privacy. The judgment also recognized the right to privacy as a fundamental right under the Indian Constitution. It clarified that Aadhaar data should be protected and used in a manner that respects this right. Section 57 struck down. The court struck down Section 57 of the Aadhaar Act, which allowed private entities to use Aadhaar for verification purposes. This meant that private companies could not insist on Aadhaar for identity verification. Data security and protection. The court emphasized the need for robust data protection measures and mechanisms to ensure that Aadhaar data remains secure and confidential. Authentication records. The court ruled that Aadhaar authentication records cannot be retained beyond a specific period. Consent. The judgment highlighted the importance of obtaining informed consent from individuals before collecting their Aadhaar information.